Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another box from Dooney Bourke. Look at this familiar box. Let's get to it. If this is your first time here, feel free to subscribe if you like bag unboxing videos, because I seem to do quite a bit here. Let's see. This is the receipt. The bag that came today is Dooney Bourke Tilton Crossbody in natural color. I always wanted a Florentine bag in natural color, so hopefully everything looks great with this bag. So far look like it is packed pretty well. Let's open it up and see how it looks. From this lighting, it doesn't look too bad, but I'll have to take a look under bright lighting, because it seems to have this line going across. Not sure that I should keep this one. Is this common with Florentine leather? Usually, from what I saw, it looks better than that, so I'm not sure. Not sure I like that kind of vertical line going across the front. Anyway, the reason I wanted to get this bag is because this one, it has this crossbody strap, adjustable crossbody strap. But since I'm not sure I'm keeping this one, I'm not going to remove this strap. But let's take a look inside. The zipper is very chunky and seems to be stuck here. Is this going to be the shortest unboxing ever? If I'm not able to get this zipper to unzip, here you go. What happened with the zipper? Wow, I'm really shocked. Usually, Dooney Bourke has really good zipper. This one seems to be problematic. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work. You probably haven't seen me struggle on video that much. Let's try it again. That's too bad. Is this common? People who own a Tilton, can you please tell me if this is common? I like the zipper, but then I like how chunky it is, but it seems very glitchy. It doesn't quite want to move. Since I'm having the bag here, I'm going to just still take a look inside. Wow. It's better second time, right? Let's try. I'm not sure. This is just weird. It's kind of uncommon. Yeah, I'm really not sure about this bag, but the reason I wanted to get this bag because I like this kind of slightly more squarish, more vertical kind of silhouette, and it has this kind of a fold at the bottom. It's pretty cool. And I like a really big bag, as some of you may know. Previously, I have bought this one. This one is their Dooney Florentine Camden Large Hobo. Size comparison. I also got this one, Dooney's Florentine Extra Large Courtney Set. To compare the size, I thought I'm going to complete my Florentine trio this time with another big bag add to my collection, but with the mark on the back like that, and then with the with a zipper like that, I'm not sure. Is this common? People who own a Tilton Crossbody, can you please tell me this is common with your Tilton bag? That's too bad. I was really hoping to keep this one. I think this is going to be the first time I'm dealing with Dooney's return. Hopefully it's not too complicated. Well, life happens sometimes. This is as real as it gets in an unboxing video, isn't it? A failed unboxing. Too bad, I really like this silhouette. And the strap itself is really thick cotton strap as well. Now I'm not sure if I should try to get this back again, since it may have this zipper problem. I need to just end it right here. Tell me your Dooney and Bourke return experience, or with this bag particularly, do you have as much trouble with the zipper on yours? I'm pretty disappointed this time, but oh well. I have more unboxing, so let's move on. And thank you for joining me today, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.